Akiles CombMac-EX, an all-in-one, heavy-duty electric comb binding machine with a built-in comb opener. If you're looking for an electric comb binding machine, look no further. Powered by a heavy-duty motor and heat-treated steel dies, the Akiles CombMac-EX is the machine you can rely on to get the job done. This machine features a 14-inch single punching length with open ends to accommodate oversized sheets. With full disengageable dies, you can punch perfect holes on letter size and custom size paper. The CombMac-EX punches up to 25 sheets at a time and binds up to 2 inches thick. A depth margin knob allows you to control the distance of the holes to the edge of the paper. The waste drawer holds the punched chips for easy waste removal. Let's bind a project. First, you have your front and back covers and your documents. Use a sample sheet of paper to align the side margin and disengage the end die to avoid a partial hole at the end of the paper. Place your comb on the comb opener and move the handle to open the comb. Punch your covers first, then insert the front cover. Punch, then insert your documents. Then add the back cover. Close the comb, and now you have a perfect comb-bound book. The Akiles CombMac-EX comes with a 1-year warranty. In case your machine needs repair, we'll take care of parts and labor. With style, strength, and function, the Akiles CombMac-EX is the ideal all-in-one solution for your next comb binding project.